today we have the DeWalt Powerstack BOGO deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers to platform my subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, so this is the Lowe's Powerstack BOGO deals. For $199 you get, obviously you're going to get 2 batteries, 2 of the newer Powerstack batteries, and you're going to get to select the free tool. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and copy it right now. So yeah, $199 is going to get you a free power tool. We're going to select here, show more, so we can find out all the power tools that we can get. So you can get for $139, you can get or regular price $139, get the variable speed brushless impact drivers, 1/4 inch XR, or you can get the 4.5 inch 20 volt trigger switch cordless angle grinder, or you can get the DeWalt SDS plus variable speed cordless rotary hammer, or you can get the jigsaw. Let's see more. You get the oscillating tool. This is the brushless oscillating tool. You get the sander. You get the circ saw. You can get the 1/2 inch cordless impact wrench, and you can get the new XR variable speed brushless cordless reciprocating saw. It says expire May 1, 2022, so you guys do have a few days, or a few weeks, I guess. So definitely check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and add this one. This one's the one that I want to get. We're gonna add that one to the cart. See what that it looks like. All right, so we end up, it says view in cart. All right, so this is what it looks like. You got the DeWalt Powerstack compact battery 2-pack for $199, and then you got the free tool here. It says hurry, low in stock. It says XR 20 volt max SDS plus variable speed cordless rotary hammer drill, and it says free right there. So yeah, definitely check it out, guys. Lots of great deals. You guys could stack up on these new Powerstacks. These do have a lot of power. If you guys want to check out the video on these my videos on these, I'll see if I can link them up above on the right hand corner, so you guys would see the difference in between a regular battery and a Powerstack. Again, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.